Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So let us start discussing. At first, let me take.
Yeah, okay, sir.
So today, inshallah, we are going to see how the images are formed in convex lens. Okay, you can see the middle part is wider and the end part are narrower. So this is a convex lens. So in convex lens, we will keep the object at six different position, and inshallah we will see where the image formed and what are the nature of the images. Okay. So inshallah, let us see. So first we will start with the object at infinity. Okay. Let us consider sun. We consider the sun is at infinity, right? So from sun the light ray is coming, right? So it will be refracted by the convex lens, and as we know they are coming parallel to the principal axis, and as a result what will happen, they after refraction they will meet at a certain point on the principal axis, and that point is called principal focus. So a image of the sun will be created at the principal focus. A image of sun will be created at the principal focus. If you hold a paper at this principal focus, then what will happen? It will catch fire. Okay, that's what you have been doing with magnifying glass. I hope many of you have done this already. So what is the case here? So we will try to investigate the nature of the image. So at first I want to know what is your opinion about the image being virtual or real. In this case, is the image virtual or real?
Real.
Definitely
Yeah.
it is real. Okay, so anybody else think otherwise? No problem.
You can explain this again, sir.
Yeah, okay, no
Object.
problem. They are actually meeting at this point, right? Do we have to extend them backward to make them meet each other? The rays are
No, sir.
actually meeting. So the image that will be formed will be
Real.
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 okay. And as you can see, sun is a very large object, but the image that we create here is just like a dot. So what do you think? The image is magnified or diminished or equal?
Greatly diminished.
Great,
Greatly diminished.
very greatly diminished. Who answered this?
GM.
Very good. So it will be real, greatly diminished, and then we will talk about whether it is inverted or um, erect. Remember, whenever we get a real image, it is always inverted. Okay, always remember this. Yeah, when the school reopens, inshallah, I will show you how we get inverted image in convex lens. Okay, I will keep a lens, and then behind the lens I will keep a paper. You will see whatever there is in front of the lens, you will see that the inverted image of it are formed on the screen. And as the light ray actually meet, this is a real image, and only the real images can be formed on a piece of paper, as you remember I taught you while teaching reflection of light. So now let us come to this one. Now here the object will be outside center of curvature. This is principal focus, this is center of curvature. So outside center of curvature the object is, or it may be mentioned in this way, the object is at a distance more than the radius of curvature. See, this is the radius of curvature. So the object is at a distance which is greater than the radius of curvature, right? Outside center of curvature means the distance from the lens will be greater than radius of curvature. I hope this is clear. So this
Sir,
yes,
sir, don't we have to find the position of the image?
position of the image, it is at principal focus. For here, actually, I didn't mention it because you can see that the image is being formed. They all are meeting at principal focus. So the position is here at principal focus. Okay, let me write the position also. I have lack of space actually, so I will just write in short. POI means position of the object. NOI means nature of, sorry, position of image and nature of image. Okay, so it will be at principal focus. Okay, clear?
Hmm.
Yeah, so let us talk about this one. So we know that in order to find the image, we need two refracted ray. Where they will meet, I need to find the meeting point of two refracted ray. Now two refracted ray will come from two incident ray. Now from the rules of ray diagram, okay, I know how to take these points, right? So first ray I will take parallel to the principal axis because I know that after refraction through which point it will go, right? That is why I will first take this ray. So that it will pass through the principal focus, and then another rule that we have learned, that whenever the light is passing through the optical center, right, it will not be refracted, it will pass, parallel to the incident ray. So as a result, what is happening? This light ray will go straight and two refracted ray meet here. So as these two ray came from P and these two refracted ray are meeting at this point, so this point I will name as P prime because this will give me the image of this P point. Now PQ, this is a perpendicular object. So from P, I will draw an perpendicular on the principal axis, and the foot of the image, I will name it as Q prime because this is Q. So that point will be named as Q prime. So P prime, Q prime will give me the image of this object. Okay. Now, let us talk about the nature of the image. What is it? Real or virtual?
Real.
Real. So real. Why real? Because they are actually meeting at this point. You don't have to extend any ray backward, right? So that is why it is real image. So then we will talk about whether it is diminished or not. From my drawing, it might be confusing, but because I didn't actually draw according to the scale. Whenever you draw it on your paper, you have to use the pencil compass. You have to do you have to take the correct measurement, like radius of curvature and the principal focus. They should be to the correct proportion. If F is 5 centimeters, C should be 10 centimeters, like that. Okay, so when you draw according to the correct measurement, you will see that PQ object is larger and P prime Q prime object will be diminished, not greatly diminished, but a little bit diminished. Okay, so let us just agree on this, that it will be diminished. So try this at home and see whether you get a diminished image or not. And then it is erect or inverted?
Inverted.
Inverted, definitely, because the object is like this, but here we got image like this. So inverted, ulta. So inverted. Then we can talk about the position of the image. Can you tell me what is the position of the image?
Between center of curvature and principal focus.
Very good. Okay, this is the principal focus, and this is center of curvature. So between these 2 points, positions are just similar to the position that you found in case of concave mirror while we were studying the reflection of light. You remember I taught you at infinity, at principal focus, then it comes closer outside center of curvature, it moves a little bit, it comes to between center of curvature and principal focus. So as the object is coming closer, the image will go further. And I also taught you a rule to remember this. Summation has to be 6. I told you to remember the position number, and then if I give you the object position, you have to see that what number needs to be added with the position number of the object to get 6. Then that will tell you the position of the image. You remember? You remember I taught you something like this?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাগনিফিকেশন অফ 6 এরকম না কিছু একটা
ম্যাগনিফিকেশন না, পজিশন বের করার জন্য যে অবজেক্ট এখানে থাকলে ইমেজ কোথায় হবে।
ও হ্যাঁ
It should be there in your notebook, right? Okay,
স্যার
so it was last year, right?
ইয়া লাস্ট ইয়ার
এখন মনে হচ্ছে কেন জানি কয়েকদিন আগেই পড়াইছে। Okay, so now we will talk about object at center of curvature. If you want, you can open that note. If you have that note, open it, you will see everything is similar, everything. Okay, you will see the object was at center of curvature. The image that we found in case of concave mirror, that was also at center of curvature. So here also it will be the same. Now nature of object at center of curvature. So again we will find out 2 incident ray. The arrows are very important. Okay, so these are 2 incident ray. One is parallel to principal axis, so it will pass through principal focus. One is through the optical center, so it will go straight away, and both of them are meeting at P prime point. So at P prime point we will get an image of this P point. Okay, and PQ, it is a perpendicular object, so P prime Q prime will be the perpendicular image of PQ object. Now you can see that the image has been formed exactly at center of curvature. Okay, if you draw everything to the correct of the measurement, then you will see that this is happening. Okay, So nature of image, definitely this is real, right?
Real.
And as the position are similar, see, object at center of curvature, image also at center of curvature, they will become equal to each other. Okay, so the size of the image, it will be equal to object. Then it is still inverted. Okay, so what is the position of the object? Position of the object is at COC, at center of curvature. I'm writing all this, in shortcut because I have lack of space in my board. But in answer sheet, never write COC. You will not be awarded any mark. Please remember, okay? Not COC, not PF. You have to write principal focus. You have to write center of curvature. I'm telling you repeatedly, okay? Okay. So we are done with number 3. So come to number 4. Okay, we are coming towards the lens. I was at infinity, then I came at outside center of curvature, then I came to center of curvature. Now it's time to move a little bit forward. So I will come between center of curvature and principal focus, which is the scenario here. See, the object is now between center of curvature and principal focus. So where was the image? At the center of curvature. So as I have brought the object closer, in this case, the image will go a little bit further. So if the image is at center of curvature, if it goes a little further, then it will go outside the center of curvature. So that is the case here, right? I don't think I need to explain the figure anymore. Two rays, they are meeting, okay? The same two rays, one parallel to principal axis, one through the optical center. The same two rays are meeting at P prime point. So you draw a perpendicular and you see that P prime Q prime, this object as this image is formed outside center of curvature, right? So nature of the image, it is still real. I will write in short, R means real, and it will be now magnified. When you draw to the correct of the proportion, see, here it was greatly diminished. Here it is only diminished, and here it has become equal. So we are advancing, right? At first it was image was greatly diminished, then it is only diminished, then it has become equal to the object. Now it will be magnified than the object. Okay, so it will be magnified. Okay, and as it is real, the image will still be inverted. Okay, now what is the position of the image? Position of the image is outside center of curvature. Outside center of curvature. Okay, then come to this one. Okay, if you remember, if the object is focus, huh?
নিচের পার্টটা দেখা যায় না
এটা দেখা যাচ্ছে না?
না এই যে আপনি লিখছেন 4 নাম্বার অবজেক্টের নিচে যেগুলো লিখছেন এটা দেখা যায় না
স্যার ক্যামেরাটা নিচে করেন ও বলতেছে
আচ্ছা, উপরের গুলা তো লিখে ফেলছো না, সো উপরের গুলা এখন আর দেখা দরকার না, এখন নিচের গুলা দেখো। এখন দেখা যাচ্ছে?
ইয়েস স্যার ভিডিও কোয়ালিটি অনেক খারাপ
ওই লাইটটা, সামনের লাইটটা, আচ্ছা সামনের লাইটটা এখন দিয়ে দেওয়া যায়। সামনের লাইটটা দিলে আরেকটু বেটার হয়। এখন একটু বেটার আগে থেকে নাকি আগের মতোই?
স্যার এখন তো উপরেরটা আর কি সমস্যা দিতেছে তিনটা লাইটের মতো
উপরেরটা সমস্যার জন্য এতক্ষণ বন্ধ রাখছিলাম। তো যাই হোক, এখন উপরেরটা তো আমরা পড়ে ফেলছি, এই কারণেই এই লাইটটা অন করছি। তো এখন নিচেরটা ক্লিয়ার দেখা যাচ্ছে আগে থেকে বেটার নাকি না?
হ্যাঁ স্যার নিচেরটা অনেক সুন্দর দেখা যেতেছে
আচ্ছা, আমি একটু তোমাদের থেকে এই জিনিসটা একটু জানতে চাই, দেখি একটু বলো তো যে okay, so as I was saying, the object is we are done with this, right? Okay, now we will move a little bit forward. The object will come from between center of curvature and principal focus to the principal focus. Okay, now it will come to the principal focus. Now as you can see, what is happening here, two refracted ray, one incident ray, coming parallel to the principal axis, and it will pass through the principal focus, and another one is passing through the optical center. And if you draw to the correct of the measurements, then you will see that these two rays are absolutely parallel to each other. Okay, these two rays will be parallel to each other. So it doesn't matter whether you extend them forward or extend them backward, they will never meet anywhere. So in such case, we consider that the image is forming at infinity. See, when the object was at infinity, the light rays which are coming, we consider them as parallel, right? Here also, as the light rays are being parallel to each other, we will consider that the image will be formed at infinity, and this will be a real image. See, object at infinity, image at principal focus. object at principal focus, image at infinity. Okay, so it will be a real greatly magnified. Now it will be greatly magnified and obviously inverted image, real inverted, and position of the position of image, that will be at infinity. Okay, then coming to the last one and the most important one. Okay, এটাই তোমাদেরকে D নাম্বারে দেওয়ার সম্ভাবনা অনেক বেশি. Okay, for all the cases here we got real image. There is only one case where we will get virtual image in case of convex lens. So this is the case. Okay, so kindly take a look at this one. This is the lens and this is the object. Okay, so one ray incident parallel to the principal axis and it will pass through the principal focus, and then another ray, it will pass to the optical center. Now, as you can see, both the rays are moving further away from each other. They are not parallel, they are just moving away from each other. So such rays, if you extend them backward, then what will happen? They will meet at a point. So as to form this image, we are having to extend the rays backward. The image that will be formed will be known as real or virtual? Virtual. So we will get the image, a virtual image here. Okay, and you can see that the object is smaller and the image is greater. So we will say it is virtual and then magnified. Okay, virtual, magnified, and erect, because the object is like this, image is also like this, so it is erect. And remember, whenever we get virtual, we get erect image, right? Now
স্যার
what
লাস্টেরটা শুধু ভার্চুয়াল আর আগেটা ভার্চুয়াল না কেন?
বিকজ এখানে তুমি কনকেভ মিররেও তো আমরা এটা দেখছি, তাই না? যে মানে যত আমরা প্রিন্সিপাল ফোকাসের বাইরে থাকবো রিয়েল ইমেজ পাবো, এন্ড যদি প্রিন্সিপাল ফোকাসের ভিতরে ঢুকে যায় তাই না আমরা ভার্চুয়াল ইমেজ পাই। দ্যাট ইজ দ্য সেম কেস ওভার হিয়ার। কেন হবে সেটা এরকম হয়, কেন হয় এটা আমি কি বলবো আর, ইটস জাস্ট লাইক আস্কিং লাইক আমার নাম সাকিব কেন, এটা রাখা হয়েছে এরকম, এন্ড দিস ইজ দ্য ল অফ দ্য নেচার। ওকে, আই ডোন্ট নো অ্যাকচুয়ালি, এটা আমরা যখনই অবজেক্টটা রাখি এরকম হইতে দেখি, কেন এরকম হয় I don't know actually how to explain this one. You can look for the answer over internet, you can search in YouTube also. Okay, so okay, now let us talk about the position of the image. Position of the image, we will say it will behind the object. See, this is the object, this is the image. Okay, this is the front side of the image, so this is the behind, the back side, so we will say behind the object, behind the object. So I will post an assignment in Google Classroom. Okay, and you have to draw all these 6, okay, with proper measurement and correct radius of curvature, positioning of the principal focus, all have to be accurate, and you will get this image properly. Okay, so I will post it in GC. How long do you need to submit?
Sunday, next Sunday.
Okay,
Yes,
Yeah.
yourself. So next Sunday, today is Monday, I will give you 1 week to complete it, no problem. Okay, so next Sunday I will put the deadline, so submit before that. Okay,
ইনশাআল্লাহ স্যার।
okay, so inshallah next class we will talk about the image that is formed in concave lens. Okay, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
Sir, second objective position key.
Second objective position, outside center of curvature. You can watch the video later, no problem. Okay then, see you.